magical friends, welcome back to Caroline's Magical Land. So today I'm going to be playing, well, I'm not going to be playing, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make your own intro using OBS, not using OBS, using GFX Studios and Wondershare Filmora X. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's hit play and open. Just let it go in. Just let me in. Okay. If you want, you can get rid of the music when you're editing it, but I'm just gonna keep the music for now. I'm gonna go to the GFX menu. I don't want it too bright in here. So I'm gonna go green screen. As you can see, I'm gonna go for that. And we are in the green screen now. So after you did all those settings, I basically just like it like this. Edit. The brightness could just be like as bright as you want it. It's not that bright though. You have to be able to see things. So I'd say this is good. The green screen is kind of blinding, but what's that? Yeah. So after you did that, you can go ahead and customize your character if you want to. I'm gonna choose this color for the skin tone. I'm gonna remove my face and my accessories. So now I can go ahead to the hair and I can choose the one I want. I'm gonna go for this one. Wait, how much does it cost to buy? Oh, right. So if you wanted a different one, you could pretty much choose any. How much is this one to buy actually? Oh, I think they're all 76. Or whatever. I don't know. Oops. I want this hair. You don't need a face really, but I'm gonna have this accessory and also some glasses. How much is this? Oh, 20. So is the hat, I think. Let me see. Oh, it's 75. That's too expensive. I don't really need that hat, so. But still. I'm gonna put these pants on for the shirt. I like this one. Now you can click back, and then you can do like a cute little dance. Any dance you want. This is the one I want. Trying to wait. Okay, so after you left, you can go ahead and open up Wondershare Filmora X. I already have it open. You could just click on it if you have it installed. Now after you opened Wondershare Filmora X, you can click Import Media Files here. Then you can go to Roblox, the file you have Roblox in, and then you can select that video, and then you can go click Import Media again, go to your pictures, and select the picture you just took. And then you can drag the video down. I'm going to cut it right there, and I'm going to ripple delete that. And then I'm going to drag the photo all the way down here and put it on the edge, make it longer to right where that part ended. Then you can watch the video how it is so far. Now to get rid of the green screen, I'll show you that in a second. To get rid of the green screen, you have to double click the green screen clip that you recorded. Double click it, and then here you have the video settings. You can click chroma key and then click OK. Then you can watch your video again to see if you like it. Now let's watch it. I want it a little bigger. Now you can make it bigger if you want. I want it like that, so then you can go back to the beginning and play it. Click play. And then if you like it, if you like your intro, you can click export. If you want to make the volume a little higher, I can do that. If you can do that by dragging this line all the way up to how high you want it. To me, this is high enough. Now let's see. It's a little loud, so I'm going to drag the volume there. Now recap it, and then you can play it. When you find the volume, how loud you want your volume. Then you can go ahead and click export. And then you don't want to buy now because that costs money. So I'm going to click export with watermark. Then you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it my intro. And then you can add it to this one. This is the file you want to add it into. Select folder. It's not showing that right. It's not. Wondershare. Then you can put it in Well, then you can click export.